Dude, now I'm going to start by telling about basics of trigonometric problems. Here, the first give a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, these two sides are 1 units. You need to find out next what are the different trigonometric ratios after finding hypotenuse value. This is x, which is nothing but hypotenuse. Now you can do that out. That is, after taking this one, here you can find it out as 1 square plus 1 square going to become x square. That means here you can find it out 1 square means 1 times of 1, which remains as 1. 1 plus this is also 1, which becomes equal to x square. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 equal to x square, and square go that side, it becomes root 2. Root 2 equal to x. Here root 2 is the hypotenuse, it is always the same value. Here they give this angle as theta, so this becomes adjacent and this becomes opposite. Now how to find out different trigonometric ratios? Let us write bigger triangle of it. That is, here 1 1, this is adjacent, here angle theta, this is hypotenuse, and this one is root 2, and this is opposite. Now you can do that out, after which you going to get it as, their sine of theta means you going to get it as opposite by hypotenuse, that is 1 by root 2, and cos of theta means it is nothing but equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, this is adjacent 1 by root 2, that is 1 by root 2. And now this one tan of theta means you going to get it as like this, that is nothing but equal to opposite by adjacent, that is 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. Now let's do more problems like that. Here cosecant of theta means reciprocal of sine theta, that means cosecant theta will be equal to 1 by root 2 becomes root 2, and this one cos theta becomes secant theta, here it also becomes equal to root 2, and cot theta, that is reciprocal of this tan theta, which remains as 1. Let's take another right angle triangle. Here in this right triangle, I start by doing this one. They have given in this right angle triangle as this side length as 2 units, this side length as 5 units. You need to find out first hypotenuse value. Then you need to find out this is adjacent side, this is opposite. Then you can find out trigonometric values. Hypotenuse, let's take as x square, which is equal to this side square, that is 5 square, plus this side length square, which going to become 2 square. 5 square means you can do it here, 5 times of 5, which is 25. So this is equal to 25, plus 2 square means 2 times of 2, which is equal to 4. 25 plus 4 equal to x square. 25 plus 4 is 29, equal to x square, and square moves that side, it becomes root 29 equal to x. Now let's find out different trigonometric ratios. Sine of theta means it going to become opposite by hypotenuse, this is root 29, this is 2, this is 5. This opposite by hypotenuse means 5 by root 29. Then cos of theta means it is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 2 by root 29. Now this one tan of theta means it is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite by adjacent, that becomes 5 by 2. Here cosecant theta means it is hypotenuse by opposite actual value, so it is root 29 by 5, or it you can take it as reciprocal of this one. Secant theta means reciprocal of cos theta, and it is again hypotenuse by adjacent, so it is root 29 by 2. Cot theta means adjacent by opposite or reciprocal of tan theta, so it becomes 2 by 5. Now I'm going to take another right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, they have given this side length as 3 units and this side length as 4 units. So automatically this is going to become 5 units. This is adjacent, this is opposite, and this one is hypotenuse. Here also you can find out different ratios if this angle is theta. After taking theta, this becomes adjacent, this becomes opposite, and this becomes hypotenuse. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse, so it is 4 by 5. Then cos theta will be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, so it is 3 by 5. And tan theta means it is opposite by adjacent. Here opposite divided by adjacent, so it is 4 by 3. Now let's take cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means it is reciprocal of sin theta, so it becomes 5 by 4. Its value can also be founded as hypotenuse by opposite. And secant theta, which is reciprocal of this one cos theta, here it is 3 by 5, so it becomes 5 by 3. And cot theta, which is also the same thing, that is reciprocal of 4 by 3, it becomes 3 by 4. Let's take one more right triangle, and in this right triangle they have given this side length as 3 units, this side length as 1 unit. You need to find out what is this angle. Here they have given us theta. X square plus 1 square will be equal to 3 square. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which remains as 1. So x square plus 1 will be equal to 3 square, which is 3 times of 3, which becomes 9. So it remains as 9. 1 go that side, x square become equal to this plus 1 becomes minus 1. 9 minus 1. So x square is 8. And square go that side, it becomes root of 8. Root of 8 you can write it as 2 times of 4. 4 is nothing but equal to 2 square, so it is 2 times of 2 square. 2 square comes out of the root, x equal to 2 root 2, it becomes 2. So this side is equal to 2 root 2, and this is theta means it is adjacent, it is opposite, and this one automatically hypotenuse. Let's find out different trigonometric ratios. You can find out by taking sine of theta. Sine of theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So it is 2 root 2 by 3. And then cos theta means it is adjacent by hypotenuse. It is 1 by 3. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan of theta means it is opposite by adjacent. That is 2 root 2 by 1. 2 root 2 by 1 means it is 2 root 2. Let's take another 3 ratios, that is cosecant of theta. Cosecant of theta means it is inverse of this sin theta or reciprocal of it. That becomes 2 root 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 root 2. In the same way, secant of theta means it going to become the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 by 3 becomes 3. And cot theta means it is equal to inverse of this tan theta, that is 1 by 2 root 2. Now I'm going to tell more things about this one, different angles. Here they give one more triangle. In this right angle triangle, they are giving out this side length as 5 units, this side length as 7 units. You need to find out what is hypotenuse. 7 square plus 5 square, which is equal to x square. 7 square means 7 times of 7, which becomes 49. So this is 49 plus 5 square means 5 times of 5, which becomes 25. So this is 49 plus 25 equal to x square. 49 plus 25 becomes 74 equal to x square. Square go that side, it becomes root 74 equal to x. Now you can find the different values of them. This root 74 becomes equal to hypotenuse value. This one becomes here, this is angle is theta, this is adjacent, this is opposite, and this one is hypotenuse. This root 74, let's find the different values. Sine of theta means opposite by hypotenuse, so it is 7 by root 74. Then what is cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse, this is adjacent 5 by hypotenuse root 74. And what is tan theta means it will be equal to opposite by adjacent, so it is 7 by 5. This one going to become 7 by 5. And cosecant of theta means it is inverse of reciprocal of this sin theta, so 7 by root 74 becomes root 74 by 7. And secant of theta will be equal to reciprocal of cos theta, so it becomes root 74 by 5. And cot theta, which will be reciprocal of this tan theta, means 7 by 5 becomes 5 by 7. These are all different trigonometric ratios. And next one, you can do angle trigonometric ratios. Angle trigonometric ratios means ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degrees. They are the you need to find out all the different ratios in each of those angles. Here you going to get each of them. Now I start to tell I continue next video. Bye.